Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the changes of a document or a spreadsheet that has been created by you on the Quip application or by others, and you can also start a conversation there and so on. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Select a document, but first go to the home page by tapping on the home button down below. Click on folders, tap on private and select a folder, and then you will be directed to a document that you have created. Then tap on this arrow button pointing to the left side at the top of the screen. Here you can find all of the changes that have been made concerning this document. You can see the person who created the document, who made the edits. You can also react to it by tapping on the smiley icon and tap on a reaction. Here you can enter a message, send it to the editor and to others. As you can see down below, it's indicated that it has been delivered. You can also insert folders, documents, spreadsheets. You can insert GIFs and stickers. You can also add pictures, but first you need to allow the application to have access to your photo library, to your gallery, so you will be able to send your pictures, but you have the chance to take a picture with your phone as well, but first you need to allow the app to have access to your camera, so tap on the OK button and then take a picture with your phone. After that, click on use photo and you will be able to send it as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.